Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Sky. Today, got a nice little gem for you. We're going to be talking about Polkastarter. And this one has been on my watch list for a while. I've been looking into it and I thought it's finally time to make a video about it. In a nutshell, Polkastarter is a site for IDO on the Polkadot blockchain. So these platforms are also known as launchpads. And yeah, Launchpad is a platform for raising funds for an early stage crypto project from retail investors. And then as a reward for taking part in the early stage project launch, investors get early access to innovative product features. So this project actually started in the fall of 2020. So it's by no means, an infant, but it's still early, still young. And it's led by Danielle Stockhouse, Tiago Martins, and two advisors, Danilo Carthuli and Matthew Dibb. So fully doxed team, nothing to worry about there. First round of investment raised $652,000 from Sigmund Capital, Astronaut Capital, Moonrock Capital, and NGC Ventures. The IDO process raised $14 million, and that was held on Uniswap. And then as a result, the price of Pols, which is the ticker, which is the utility token, soared 750%. Maya DAO and Spider DAO were the first token sales on Polkastarter. They launched on December 15th of that year. And then fast forward to October 2021, the services interface and IDO participation mechanics were completely redesigned. So they had a revamp, a facelift, if you will. So yeah, despite the fact that Polkastarter is a fairly new platform, it has already managed to prove itself as a convenient and professional tool for conducting IDOs. They've had over 40 successful launches of various tokens and projects on Polkastarter since launch, so it's definitely worth paying attention to. The concept behind Polkastarter is to integrate into Polkadot to take advantage of the highly scalable ecosystem. So yeah, obviously it's built on Polkadot, and so that means Polkastarter can leverage its own proprietary developments and the high bandwidth of the native blockchain while still remaining connected to other blockchains for liquidity. Polkastarter has already launched on Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain. It'll be interesting to see if they launch on Avalanche, because Avalanche is a bit of a favorite of mine. So what sets Polkastarter apart from other projects? Well, it has a very fundamental feature. These are fixed swaps, which Polkastarter uses to prevent the typical volatility of token prices. So for any, very risk-averse investors that are allergic to volatility, this might be good for you. With this feature, Polkastarter also solves several problems, actually. It prevents dumping, which is a major problem, obviously, with any IDOs, and makes IDO fundraising as transparent as possible for investors. So transparency is definitely something that is important in crypto. So yeah, like I say, they had more than 40 token launches. Among them are well-known projects such as Blockchain Cuties, Convergence, Fire Protocol, and Ethermoon. NFT platform Eternity Chain showed the biggest growth. At its peak, its token exceeded the initial offer price 272 times. Since then, NFT-related services really began to show the greatest growth on Polkastarter. So basically, with Polkastarter, any decentralized entity is able to easily raise capital through its DEX. So the pros are interoperability with different blockchain protocols, permissionless listing of tokens, cross-chain swaps between tokens, transaction speed. Transaction speed has been, as we know, an issue with many blockchains as the user base grows, but Polkastarter uses the Polkadot network, which means Polkastarter can easily process 160,000 transactions per second, with the ability to reach as high as 1 million transactions per second if needed. And then we've got data sharing. Cross-chain transactions aren't all that's made possible on Polkastarter. It also facilitates data sharing between the protocols of different blockchain networks. And then, of course, the fixed swap. There's three main advantages to this fixed swap. One, the number of tokens sold and the amount raised can be calculated easily. Two, investors are distributed more evenly, both demographically and geographically. Three, token holders can more easily acquire tokens at a standard price. Let's talk about the token, Pols, and the token utility. It is a utility token, so that is good. Among its major uses are governance, staking and liquidity mining. Liquidity mining is very, very big right now. So let's have a look at the price action. Right now, it's sitting at $1.59 at the time of recording this video. It's got a market cap of 140,276,971. It's a pretty healthy chart. It had an all-time high of $6.47. And then it had this pullback and went on another kind of smaller run up to $4. So yeah, I think it could easily surpass its all-time high this year if you wanted to get it. It's very easy to get. It's even available on Coinbase Exchange, Binance, KuCoin, Uniswap. So yeah, I'm definitely very bullish on Polkastarter, and I'm bullish on Polkadot in general for 2022. Some other tokens I'm bullish on are Phantom and Cadena, and I plan to talk about those soon. But for now, just a little overview of Polkastarter, just to start the conversation. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out my Twitter if you want to follow me for like alpha and stuff. Thank you so much for listening, and until next time, have a wonderful day.